สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Houseboat Thai Kitchen. Today we're gonna make Tom Kha Kai, one of the most famous chicken soup that you guys would order in Thai restaurant. Again, I got this recipe from my mom. It's not difficult to make at all, so let's make it together. Okay, first we're gonna start by cutting the lemongrass and other vegetables. You need to heat the lemongrass first with pesto, so it will bring the extra smell into the soup. Just think about someone you hate at work. And then cut it. Alright, and now we are going to cut the chicken. I use the chicken thighs today, but you can use the chicken breast if you're concerned about the health, but I don't like it because for me it tastes a bit like paper and boring. It's simple, like you pick someone on the date. This person might be boring, but you are sure that you will be safe. Or another person who is hot and sexy, but he or she might be a serial killer.
Oh no!
You decide. Okay, first we will boil some water together with a little bit of coconut milk. Make sure you shake it first. Just about half. Okay, now the soup is boiling, so we will add lemongrass, Galangal, kaffir lime leaf, shallot, salt, and chicken stock. Okay, now our soup is boiling again, so we can add chicken in there. Do not stir. Try to get the foam out as much as you can. When the chicken is almost done, you lower the temperature and add the rest of the coconut oil in there. Make sure the coconut is mixed with our soup. Just use medium heat and then let it boil again. The reason that we do not use a super high temperature is because then the coconut fat would break apart and that would not give a nice texture to your soup. Okay, now the soup is boiled again, so we're gonna add mushroom, chili, sugar, and fish sauce. Then we turn off the stove and add the lime juice. Let me taste it. Amazing. We will add the coriander and the dry chili before we serve.